歡迎大家收聽收睇碳中和商機呢個節目。我哋今日講嘅係世界上最大嘅潮汐能風箏呢個項目咧，就喺呢一個歐洲嗰邊啊。咁咧佢號稱咧可以咧單獨為一個小鎮提供電力咁講。我哋嘅節目咧係中英對照，有中英嘅字幕。我哋第一部分咧係以廣東話去分享，而第二部分我哋會讀出呢一個英文嘅稿。咁其實咧用潮汐發電咧並唔係新鮮嘅事。咁咧喺1000多年之前咧，咁其實咧已經有人咧係用呢個潮汐能咧去磨呢啲穀物嘅。咁當然啦，我哋而家咧如果係話要全天候247咁樣去用潮汐發電咧，咁當然就需要咧做更加多嘅科研啦。咁近年咧就出現咗一種引人注目嘅設計咧，就係一個巨大嘅金屬風箏。咁咧可以放喺水裏邊咧，就逆流咧喺嗰個水中游泳，咁咧轉動，咁咧而因為呢一種咁嘅辦法咧，就產生電力啦。咁同時咧，亦都咧個電力會透過海底電纜咧就送到電網，而嗰個海底電纜咧亦都可以權充咧風箏嘅繫繩喎。咁咧就號稱有史以來最大嘅風箏咧。咁佢哋連名都改埋，就叫做 Dragon 12。咁咧即將安裝喺法羅群島附近。咁 Dragon 嘅翼展咧係12米，一旦投入運行咧，預計咧將會產生1.2兆瓦嘅清潔電力。咁咧就足夠咧1000個家庭去用嘅。咁而嗰個風箏咧，現在已經係從瑞典咧運往呢個法羅群島進行安裝啦。咁呢個風箏咧，最初咧係由汽車製造商 Saab 設計嘅。咁隨後咧就由呢一個瑞典初創公司 Ministal 接手，喺2007年咧就實現呢個商業化。咁咧就此後咧呢個公司一直咧仲喺度完善緊呢項技術噃。咁 Ministal 就聲稱咧，就佢擁有歐洲區域發展基金超過4000萬歐元嘅投資嘅資金，咁咧就係歐盟押金咧最大嘅海洋能源投資嚟嘅。咁儘管潮汐流技術咧喺呢個再生能源發電方面咧係有咁大嘅潛力啦，咁但係咧好大程度上咧仲未被充分咁利用㗎噃。部分嘅原因係因為咧利用海洋嘅潮起潮落，咁咧歷嚟咧都係需要咧昂貴嘅駁船啦，同埋河內嘅呢個渦輪機。咁本質上咧，因為呢一個風力渦輪機咧係要咧綁喺呢個海床嗰度嘅噃，咁咧就即係環保人士咧就覺得咧呢個咁樣嘅運作咧係會影響海洋生物嘅。咁 Ministal 嘅技術創造者表示咧，佢哋嘅技術嘅獨特之處咧係在於佢咧相對係較細嘅，而個模組化咧亦都可以擴展。咁同風箏喺空中飛行嘅方式類似啦，潮汐渦輪機喺水中咧係以八字形運動嘅噃，佢嘅速度咧比流水嘅實際速度咧快幾倍。咁基本上咧呢個意味住佢喺發電方面咧係遠遠可以超出佢嘅重量嘅。咁展望未來咧 Ministal 同當地能源公用事業公司 SEV 合作，計劃咧喺法羅群島建造120兆瓦嘅潮汐風箏發電能力，而呢一個陣列咧大約係由100個風箏組成，可以供應該群島40% 嘅電力消耗。People have been harnessing tidal energy for milling grain for more than 1,000 years. As you imagine, though, today's contraption for tapping this 24/7 power source are a little more sophisticated. One of the most eye-catching designs to emerge in recent years is a giant metal kite, which swims underwater against the current, turning its rotor and generating electricity. Power is then sent to the grid via a subsea cable, which also acts as the kite's tether. The biggest of these kites ever built, known as Dragon 12, is about to be installed off the Faroe Islands. With a wingspan of 12 meters, the Dragon is expected to generate 1.2 megawatts of clean electricity once operational, enough to power around 1,000 homes. The kite is now being shipped from Sweden to the Faroe Islands for installation. The kite was first designed by car maker Saab and then commercialized in 2017 by Swedish startup Ministo, which has been refining the technology ever since. With more than 40 million euro of funding from the European Regional Development Fund, Ministo claims to be the EU's largest investment in marine energy to date. Despite offering huge potential for renewable energy generation, tidal stream technology is still largely underutilized. This is partly because harnessing the ebb and flow of the ocean has historically involved the construction of expensive barges or in-stream turbines, especially wind turbines tethered to the seabed, that can have adverse impacts on ocean life. What differentiates Ministo's technology, said its creators, is that it's relatively small, modular, and scalable. Similarly to how a kite travels through the air, the tidal turbine moves in a figure-of-8 motion through the water several times faster than the actual speed of the flowing water. Basically, this means it can punch far above its weight in terms of electricity generation. Going forward, Ministo, along with local energy utility SEV, aims to build 120 megawatts of tidal kite capacity in the Faroe Islands. This array, which would be made up of around 100 individual kites, could supply 40% of the archipelago's electricity consumption.